Kent the Handmade Comb Fine and Coarse Toothed. Choose your Kent Handmade Comb, completely made in up, ships from US 82T 90mm folding fine comb 20T 85mm folding pocket comb with clip all fine 81T 70mm all fine beard and mustache comb opt 110mm pocket comb coarse fine 6T 175mm dressing table comb coarse fine 9T 190mm large coarse fine comb 10T 190mm large handled rake comb wet thick hair coarse 12T 146mm coarse pocket comb 5T 169mm dressing table comb foot 110mm fine pocket comb 16T 185mm coarse fine dressing table comb R7T 130mm pocket coarse fine comb slim Jim 117mm fine comb about the brand GB Kent & Sons Ltd. Manufacturers of brushes since the 18th century is one of the oldest established companies in Great Britain. Kent Brushes was founded in 1777 by William Kent in the reign of George III. Kent holds a preeminent place in the history of brush making, with an unbroken record of excellence in the quality of its production which has been recognized by the granting of royal warrants for 9 reigns. The Kent family continued to run the company for 6 generations until 1932 when the last of the 3 Kent brothers passed away. This is when Mar Eric Pound Cozy, owner of Cozy Brushes Ltd., entered into an association with G. B. Kent & Sons. A new chapter was then opened in Kent's long history, and since that time the company has been under the creative and dynamic direction of the Cozy family. Today, Mar Allen Hall Cozy, grandson to Eric Cozy, is the managing director and chairman, with his wife, son, and one of his 3 daughters working for the business. The company headquarters moved from London to their existing factory in Aspley, Hertfordshire on the February 6, 1984, and remains there to this day. The company continues to retain the craftsmanship and unprecedented quality that is Kent's reputation. Even in today's fast-moving, mass-produced assembly, Kent. JETTINGBUY Mini Compact Mirror with Comb Pocket Chocolate Cookie. Really love the design of this compact mirror. I really like it and it is so handy. I can bring it and just put it inside my purse. Mizmuth GSSMN 3F Handmade Natural Green Sandalwood No Static Comb Pocket. I completely disagree with the customer who complained because it was cheap, bent, and warped. I ordered this as a replacement for another beard comb, which I thought I had lost but found. My original one, which I paid a lot more for, is even more warped. The teeth go up and down. The description says this is a handmade object. Now, while I don't think they whittled this out of a sandalwood tree, I do believe they are hand machined and they are working with the wood product they have. If you want a perfectly aligned beard comb, get a plastic one. I love the imperfections differences, and that's what makes it unique. Plus I love the smell. Even though I ended up not needing this one, my other wood comb is sure to lose a tooth or 2 someday, and I'll this one ready to replace it. By the way, the picture on the left is the new one, the one on the right is my original one. This product is even straighter than my original.